received us bare, and swiftly fades the simple dream we find. We are not masters here, but guests of air. Why waste our days in troubled heart and mind? In this wide world, we are a single passing breath, alike for everyone, the final road we take. When we came down, our hands held not at all, and not one single slipper joins our way. Let us not grieve for things that do not stay. The treasures we sought become dust where we lay. In this wide world, we are a single passing breath, a lake for everyone, the final road we take. Our final resting place is shared by all. Even gold cannot promise your help. A little joy we knew was comfort and grace. The final sleeping ground is shared by all one day. In this wide world, we are a single passing breath, a light for everyone, the final